Welcome to 40946 Munson Woods Place in the heart of Loudoun County.
A Stanley Martin built home in 2018 with 3 fully finished levels and over 6,300 square feet. Join us inside.
The Taylor model by Stanley Martin offers some amazing features. Right off of the foyer is your living room. Across from the living room is your spacious dining room with 10-foot ceilings that include double crown molding, wainscoting. Another feature people love is an additional bedroom on the main level with its own private bath, and you still have your powder room for your guests.
The kitchen. This is why you will buy this home and fall in love with this floor plan. I want to show a couple things that you may not see just looking and clicking through photos. The cooktop, it's not in the island. You know, that's what most consumers want. They want it off the island and somewhere else. You'll see it's here, as well as with custom cabinetry and its own vent hood. But look at all this, not only the prep space, but this huge island for entertaining with the great breakfast bar, so that as you're here cooking, you can also entertain. We have stainless steel appliances. Of course, this beautiful quartz countertops, which not only are on the countertops, but are also the backsplash. And look at this additional space within the kitchen where you have an eat-in area, an additional prep space, storage, everything else. And with it being directly off of the family room, this truly gives you the heart of the home where you can entertain, cook, and enjoy time with others. Welcome to your new primary suite. You get not just one walk-in closet, you get 2. You get this spacious bedroom, and in addition to that, this great sitting room directly off of the primary that can be used for an additional office, TV room, whatever you want. And I want to introduce you to this spa-like setting with the primary ensuite. In this ensuite, you'll notice the dual vanities, the custom tiling, and they opted for the newest trend, which is instead of having a tub and shower, they have an amazing dual-headed shower that gives you the optimal space. And of course, a private water closet. On the upper level, you have an additional suite with its own closet and private bathroom, 2 additional bedrooms that share 1 bathroom, and you have the laundry room on the upper level.
The lower level is an entertainer's dream. You have wood flooring, you have a bar with 2 beverage centers, plenty of storage, a TV mounted on the wall, along with a place for all your food serving and watching the game. Over here, you've got an area for kids where they can play. Don't forget, we have the 6th bedroom, a full bathroom, plenty of storage down here, an exercise room, or it could be converted into a media room. Off the main level is your custom deck with steps down to your fully fenced backyard, which backs to conservation land.
It's hard to find a flat yard in the rolling hills of Virginia. Not only do you have a flat yard, this home is also located on a cul-de-sac. Reach out to the Nellis Group today to book your own private tour.